Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and good. I'm back with my new video. So guys, it was a long time I haven't uploaded a video, or I was getting so many messages. Like even I don't believe that I'm getting messages from Afghanistan, Pakistan, like Bangladesh, UK, India, because I just uploaded a video like 3-4 months back. जिसमें मैं बता रहा था कि how I came to Dubai and all. एंड आफ्टर दैट मैं लाइक पिछले एक वीक से मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंट था अपने इंस्टाग्राम में. लाइक आई वाज मेकिंग स्टोरीज एंड ऑल, and then I realized that there are so many people who want to know about Dubai. They want to know about how the real estate market works, how they can come to Dubai and start working as a real estate agent. And then I realized that I can help these people as well, but I can showcase some properties in Dubai. Okay, so this is the part which made me come back to YouTube. Second thing, obviously Dubai, there are so many beautiful properties, you have properties in Palm, then there's a casino coming, Wing Casino in Ras Al Khaimah. It's a no-brainer again. And then we have so many properties in Business Bay, like different locations. Dubai South, the biggest airport is coming. Then we have Creek Harbour. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी which I wanted to personally explain these things on my YouTube बहुत पहले से. But obviously my schedule was very tight, to be very honest. Every day office जाओ, उसके बाद like follow-ups, calls, then you schedule meetings. उस सब के बीच में, like guys, believe me, time नहीं मिल पाता है, ठीक है. There are so many agents who come to Dubai, they make videos, they follow up, they do everything, and I respect them, to be very honest. It's a very hard thing to do, to manage your schedule, making videos, uploading them, and performing so many activities together. But for me, when I'm doing something, मेरे को एक चीज़ में like I want to be focused, and that's the reason I did very well I'm doing very well from last 9 months. भगवान की कृपा से, ठीक है. And now I wanna be, I want to come into this YouTube thing like again back, because जब मैं UK में था, I was doing very well. Like I had a presence in YouTube, at least not a big one, but at least a small one. Yeah. People used to text me on Instagram. I have my own community, Indians at Nottingham, which I'm still in touch with, but like then and there, like not every day. Yeah. But this thing I can do each and every day because I love this. I started doing real estate when I was 16 years old. I sold my first 3-bedroom apartment when I was 18 in India, yeah, in a small town, Rishikesh, where I'm from. So obviously after that I was a brand ambassador for one of the known student accommodation company. And now in Dubai I'm a real estate agent, an investment advisor, one of the top real estate company. So I think as a 22-year-old young person, I should spread this positive knowledge and positive attitude to people, because there are around 80,000 real estate agents in Dubai. And guys, believe me, how many are actually bringing the value to the customers? That's very important. When you're dealing in real estate, it's just not about selling properties. It's more about bringing value to the table. There are 80,000 agents. The client can go to anyone. What makes you different is bringing value, okay? And ये चीज़, it didn't came from my heart, to be very honest. Somebody taught me, like somebody helped me to understand this, that Yuvraj, this is where you're going wrong. You need to bring value to the table. That then your customer will give you an honest feedback, an honest response to your all the questions. So this was me, guys. I hope I'm gonna be consistent, and there's a huge inspiration with me right now. My friend Maya, you wanna come here? Oh, you can sit there. So
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes, my name is Marisol / Maya. I've come to join the journey with Yuvraj in real estate. I have no background in it whatsoever, but he's just been wonderful, teaching me, training me, just being there for me in every step of the way and giving me the best guidance I could ever get. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. It's life-changing, and you'll see me in some more videos soon.
So guys, इतना ही था इस वीडियो में, but I'm gonna try my best to upload more and more. अभी मैं सिर्फ आधे घंटे के लिए यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ था. See, मेरी शर्ट भीग गई. Like it's weather change हो रहा है, to be very honest. Last month मैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया भाग गया था क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी थी. बट नाउ द वेदर इज़ गुड. पिछले महीने में यहाँ पे ऐसे खड़ा नहीं हो सकता था क्योंकि गर्मी थी. बट दिस मंथ इज़ गुड, सो आई एम enjoying Dubai right now. We are in Dubai Marina, to be very honest. It's one of the tourist attractive place.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. So guys, hopefully you guys will see me, if not every day, at least once a week. I'm gonna try my best, and I think Maya's gonna help me with this. So namaste, thank you so much for watching my video, and this was just an intro which I wanted to make to give you an update that what I'm doing in Dubai. I know you know it's I believe that it's hard to do every day, but I'm gonna change my mindset, and I'm gonna start posting content each and every day. तब तक के लिए thank you so much.